if you're that kind of person, mga adventurous na gusto mo matry mga iba-ibang pagkain, you gotta try this one. So Babo Kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Antojitos for sending us their products. So si Antojitos po is a Mexican street food business owned by a newly graduate chef sa isang international school dito po sa Pampanga. And her dream is to makilala po at may palaganap yung kanyang business dito sa buong Pampanga. And what a way to start the business is for you guys to let know kung ano po yung mga tinitinda niya. So on our table, you have some tacos, burritos, and a ramen de birria. So I guess we start from here. This is not your ordinary ramen. When we say ramen kasi it's Japanese, but when we say Mexican, girl, what comes to my mind are chili, tacos, guacamole, burritos, lots of meat. Yun ang naaalala ko kapag when we talk about Mexican food. Now, this one's special. It is not your ordinary ramen. Ayan. So, it has ramen noodles. However, yung pinaka-broth nito, guys, is called birria. So, when you search birria, it's actually stewed beef from mutton, lamb, or beef. Ayan, so yun yung pinaka-base niya. And then, it has consomme, birria, whole boiled egg, and of course, some corn. Pinaka-highlight dito, guys, is yung beef and the beef broth. So, let me taste it. Oh, that's hot. Wow. That is chili. Sarap nito, guys. When it's really hot, and then yung hotness ng chili natin, oh man, it's gonna wake you up. It is gonna wake you up. Now, let me get some noodles plus yung pinaka beef natin dito, beef meat. Oh wow. Now, I wanna taste yung kanilang burritos. So this one is Mexican burritos, and then another one is birria. Of course, when you say burrito, it's pinaka-base niya is rice. We also have some kidney beans. Meron din tayong beef and white sauce. So, tingnan na natin to. Oh wow. First off, guys, it is so flavorful. Sobrang sarap ng mga herbs and spices na talagang ma-experience mo dito, malalasahan mo, no? And then number 2, I like the wrapper. Really, another bite for their burritos. Next, I want to taste is yung nilang taco de birria. So again, if you know this, guys, very stable yung pangalan na birria. No? Of course, for this one, it has salsa, pickled onion, guacamole, and of course, yung braised beef plus the mozzarella cheese. Wow. So again, I gotta say, it is absolutely out of this place. Not a Filipino or not a Kapampangan taste na malalasahan mo dito. It's out of this place experience, no? So if you're that kind of person, mga adventurous na gusto mo matry mga iba-ibang pagkain, you gotta try this one. So now this one naman is taco de Costilla. This is a pork-based meat, particularly short ribs, and of course available din yung mga dips niya like salsa, guacamole, and some pickled onions. So tingnan natin to. This time, they call it taco de Carnitas. Difference niya dun sa mga previous na tinikman natin. This one is made from braised pork shank. So this is Carnitas. Yeah, that guacamole, it is really delicious. And then lastly sa mga tacos, this is called tacos de Chicharones. From the name itself, it has a similar dish dito po sa atin sa Philippines, which is the Chicharones. Again, it is made from braised pork. Let's taste it. Oh wow. This time, yung pork natin, it has a little bit of fat, which made it a lot more flavorful for me. So, grabe. If you are to ask me which one is my pick from the tacos kung mag-order kayo dito, I guess I'm gonna go first with their birria, this one. And then the second one is the Chicharones. Sarap nito, guys. Right, so there you have it, guys. If you're looking for a Mexican food and you want to experience the food that I experienced this afternoon, make sure to check out Antojitos. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. This is a lovely afternoon for me. I really enjoyed the tacos plus this really hot soup. Manghang. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out. Bye, guys.